I've seen offers for up to like $580 for one interview, for one survey. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, my name is Brianna and I make health, beauty, and lifestyle videos to inspire and motivate women like myself. Now, I know it is like 5 minutes from Christmas, but you could be watching this next holiday season and you could want to replenish your funds right after the holidays, or you really want to do some last minute shopping. So you need these tips. Here are some quick and easy ways to make money for the holiday season. I'm going to start with the most obvious one, okay? Amazon, of course, they are hiring like crazy. My friend told me this. They are doing very high bonuses of like $3,000. It's very easy to get into, and you don't have to do it permanently. You can do it temporarily. You can do it just for, a little bit of time, or if you decide that you like it, then you can stay there. But that is one of the most easiest jobs to get into right now. It might be a little crazy because of, all of the holiday craziness, but that is one of the easy ways to make money for the holiday season. They will probably give you all the hours you want, and they have several different positions that you could do. Number 2 is something that I don't know if a lot of people know about it, but I've heard of it, and I tried to do it before I was 21, and it's for people who are 21 and older, just to let y'all know. This one is Taskrabbit. Taskrabbit is an app that will connect you with different people who need various tasks done, like washing dishes, putting together furniture, mounting a TV, just different things that people would rather hire somebody to do than do themselves, or they can't do it. They might be older, they might be disabled, they might have some type of issue why they couldn't do it, or they just don't know how to do it, or they just don't feel like doing it, so they would rather pay somebody like you to do that task. And as you can see, some of these tasks can be very easy. You can choose which tasks you want to do. Like, they're not going to force you to do any task that you don't want to do. You can see how much you get paid for each task before you choose, and it could be an easy way to just rack up some extra money for the holiday season. Number 3 is for people who plan on doing some shopping on Amazon for the holidays to get presents for people, or just in general during the holiday season. This one is called ProductTube. It's another app, and it's basically, I've done this one myself, and I've made probably about $170 worth of Amazon gift cards. That is how they pay, and it literally connects to your Amazon account, and you have the funds on your Amazon. Once you sign up, they will offer you different tasks. They vary from online things that you can do, online shopping, you can do in the store shopping, or you can do surveys if you qualify. I've only done the in-store shopping and the online shopping. So for the in-store shopping, they will send you to a store like Whole Foods, and they will give you directions on the different displays that they want you to shoot, to film. Why did I say shoot? Like I'm filming a movie. Basically, they want you to record while you are in the store, not as a selfie style. They want you to record what you are seeing, and you have to go and look at whichever displays that they want you to look at. And they also want you to talk through it. So what I would do is I would put my AirPods in, and I would really try to be in the aisle that nobody else was in, or like I would try to wait until somebody would leave the aisle if I was uncomfortable. But in the end, like, people would probably feel like you're talking on the phone, you're FaceTiming or something if you have your AirPods in or your headphones in. And they just want you to answer all of the questions. You can record, and while you record, you can pull up the instructions right there. So you can literally go down the line and answer all of the questions that they want answered in order to get your money. I think the highest pay that I've gotten for one trip is like $30, $25, $30. So you can actually make money while you're shopping. They encourage you to already be shopping if you're doing these tasks. I will say that it could take a couple of days for the gift cards to come into your email, so just be aware of that. But overall, it is very simple, and I've done several trips in one day. I will just go to one store, then go to the next, then go to the next, and then I've made like $60 to $80 in Amazon gift cards. Number 4 is something that I've done as well, except for one that I'm talking about. But I used to do DoorDash, and that is one of the easiest ways to make money. Literally going to the store, picking up somebody's food, and then taking it to them. I mean, like, sometimes you get free food because, orders get canceled. You get to learn about new restaurants and you get to explore and see the city. I don't know. Try to make it positive. I try to make it positive. One of the most positive things for me doing DoorDash was that I got to listen to my favorite podcast all day, every day. And I learned so many things listening to podcasts, and I was so entertained listening to podcasts. So that was one of the pros for me doing DoorDash. Also, you can get paid the same day doing DoorDash. As soon as your card processes and your direct deposit is all set, then you can cash out your money that day. Also, another app like DoorDash is Shipt. And instead of going to pick up food orders from restaurants, you would go to the grocery store and you would fulfill those grocery orders and deliver them to the person. The next one is something else that my friend recommended to me, and it's another app, and it's basically for people who want to do a job in a certain time, but they don't want to get stuck in that job, which is definitely me. It's called Adia or Adia. And it's basically like a temp service, and they connect you with all types of jobs. You have to just do a background check. Same thing for DoorDash and probably Shipt and probably Taskrabbit. But I mean, it's understandable. You're visiting people's homes and things like that. So they want you to do a background check, and then you do like a skills assessment or something like that. And they have all different types of jobs. They have hosting jobs, waitressing, bartending, stocking jobs, like stocking in a store. They have all different types of jobs on there. They tell you how much you're gonna make with each job, and you can just do that temporarily, and then you're done. For the holidays, simple and easy. And the last one I have for you guys is user interviews. This one is kind of iffy. I signed up for this website, and they have so many. It's basically surveys. So you would get paid to get interviewed for whatever knowledge or expertise that you have for whatever survey that they're doing. There's a lot of things on there, but it's only if you qualify. So a lot of things I don't qualify for, but you might qualify for all of them or most of them. So it just depends on the person. It depends on what you've done, what your expertise is, things like that. I've seen offers for up to like $580 for one interview, for one survey. So it just depends. But you can make a lot of money doing these things. These can be side hustles. You can continue even after the holidays, or they might even turn into your main thing. You never know. If you have any more ways that you can make money quickly during the holidays, then leave them below for everybody to learn and benefit from. If you found these tips helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video.